Hi, very good morning. This is Rajshekhar, Assistant Professor in Triple E Department. Through this video, I am going to demonstrate how to perform OC and SC test on a single phase transformer. So, I have taken one 3 kVA 220 by 110 volt single phase transformer. To perform the OC test, the high voltage side is generally open circuited and all the meters are connected on the LV side. Now, to apply the rated voltage, I use this auto transformer. So what is the rated voltage of the transformer which I have considered is 110 volts. So low voltage side is 110, that's why I am applying 110 volts. So after applying 110 volts of the rated value, now the emitter reads 0.8 amperes and wattmeter reads 37.4. Now by clicking this take reading, then the table column is filled with ammeter reading, wattmeter reading and voltmeter reading. So this wattmeter reading gives the core loss, total core loss of the transformer. So using these parameters, you can find the no load parameters or the shunt element parameters of the transformer. First, the power factor is calculated. Next, IC and IW are calculated. Here IC should be there. Please take a note of this. And RC and XM are calculated. And RC and XM, the shunt element parameters are calculated. Now the core loss is 37.4 watts. So after performing the OC test, we have to perform SC test. SC test is generally performed on HV side and LV side is short circuited. So in this SC test, we have to apply the rated current or we have to circulate the rated current in the HV winding. So by using this auto transformer, I am going to circulate the rated current, that is 13.3 amperes. I am circulating, and to circulate this 13.3 amperes, I require only 18 volts. 18 volts. Now 184 point something is the reading of the wattmeter, which gives the full load copper loss, because I am applying full load current here. Now take readings, will fill the tabular column, that is with ammeter reading, wattmeter reading and voltmeter reading. Next, using these values, we can calculate the REH and XEH, where REH is the resistance of the transformer referred to high voltage side and XEH is the reactance of the transformer referred to high voltage side. Now you got core loss and copper loss. With the help of this core loss and copper loss, you can calculate the efficiency at any load. Suppose if I want to calculate at 0.1 times the rated capacity, then if I click calculate efficiency, so efficiency is calculated, we will take it as a reading number 1. So 0.1 is reading number 1. Next, I will increase the capacity 2.2 times the rated capacity and click calculate efficiency. Now this is reading number 2. Now I will increase 2.5. Let us see what will be the efficiency. So now the efficiency is 93.5, 93.52. Now I will further increase the capacity 0.7. That means 0.7 times the rated capacity, that is 3 kVA. So this is 92.9. Now take reading. So this is our reading number 4. Now again hide it and increase this to 0.9, suppose say. So calculate efficiency, it is 92.1. So as we increase the capacity, or this is the load fraction, percentage of the load, at 90% of the load it is 92.1, at 70% of the load it is 92, 50%, like that. At any percentage of the load we can calculate the efficiency, and we can observe efficiency has increased up to 1 point, and then there is a decrease in the efficiency, and all these are calculated at 0.8 power factor. Now I will now change the power factor from 0.8 to 0.7. Suppose if I want to calculate the efficiency at 0.7 power factor, and for different loads, different percentage of load. Now 10% of the capacity, calculate the efficiency. So it is 84, take the reading, now hide it. And suppose if I want to calculate the 30% of the efficiency, sorry, 30% of the capacity, so reading it is 92.11. Now I want to calculate at 50% of the capacity of the transformer, the efficiency is 92.66. You can observe efficiency is increasing, and now at 0.7, and that means 70% of the capacity, calculated the efficiency, it is 92.05. You can observe a decrease in the efficiency. Okay, now if I click 90%, if I want to calculate at 90% of the capacity, now it is 91 point. So like that we can calculate the efficiency at different power factors for different loads. So this OC and SC test is used to predetermine the efficiency at any load, at any power factor. So this video will help you to uh, uh, demonstrate the OC and SC test. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel for latest videos. Thank you.